Okay, we're live. Get some tunes going. Cool. That should be good. Nice. Let's turn on the YouTubes. Okay. And what up, bro? Let's see if we can get this to work on a broadcast. Do 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 do. And start. Hello, YouTube as well. Is this working? Let's see. Nice. And we're live there. What exactly is the wrong idea? Where's my welcome theme? Probably not running yet. Huddle? I wasn't ready for everyone to come over yet. Guys, I said 9 o'clock. All right, let's see. Oops. Here, we'll make sure everyone's is going again. We'll see if this works. Say hello again. You post link, we click it. True. I didn't even announce the Discord yet. Hi from YouTube. What's up, Arbit? Rick, try again. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, we are back, chat.
So good and tasty.
That one is very questionable.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, there we go. I remembered down to Discord. Oh, we're so back. RIP YouTube chat. What about YouTube chat? Twitch viewers get more love. I'm reading your messages right now.
I'm in a glass case of emotion.
So true. Huh. I'll have to figure that out, Caleb. Almost 9 a.m. I think we're gonna write some OCaml today. Just because. I was well, so later today I'm gonna record a video, probably off stream, about why 1-based indexing is better than 0-based. Just objectively. And it was making me do some reading on some Lua stuff, and then I was thinking, you know, it'd be kind of fun. Then I watched a video from Shy Rai. This customer cell phone ringtone. If you're a sub, you can get a theme song. Look at another screen first, YouTuber. It's the same screen inside Twitch chat. But anyways, I've been building up my case for a long time. I'm gonna make a nice and short and sweet video talking about my points. The main point of it is actually, why is that there? The main point of the video, well, I have a funny ending that I think is good, but the main point is actually that people should just shut up about Lua being 1-based. It's fine. Basically, that's sort of the main goal. Are we gonna use a parser library? It's a good question. So we need to make a new. Does Dune init? I can never remember if Dune init makes a new folder. I think it just doesn't in the current folder, right? You know, yeah, I talk about that actually, Caleb. Is there a command to clear the theme song? You just download a new one. Erlang is 1-based as well. Oh, is it actually? I didn't know that. It's true. You guys are next to each other on the same screen. Where are the VODs? You have to be a mod. You don't have to be a mod. You have to be a channel member on YouTube. Oh, I didn't know that. That's oh, nice. But I'll add it to my list. I'll add it to my list. Airline has arrays. Good enough for me. Index term 1 messed me so many times. I hate it. What do you mean, animator? I'm not sure which way you're saying. Kale, but so I'm going to quote the C specification in the video. As always, you can trust me to go to the source, okay? I've got a quote from section 6.5.2.1 subsection 2 from the C specification that's going to drop in the video. Yeah. Yep. Coffee. Oh, nice. I'm drinking it as well. We're drinking the same coffee right now then, Matt. Huh? Has to sub 1 from user best index. Oh, that's funny. One based interesting, but Dykstra. I've read his arguments. I remain unconvinced. New coffee comes out when? Not sure. We're currently working on it. Chat, I've been trying to think what combination of OCaml plus Lua can give us the right name. I was kind of thinking OLuaml, so we can say OLu, or maybe just OLua. OLua, because then we can say OLua my Lua. You know what I mean? So I was kind of thinking OLua. Lua ML is already taken. Lua ML is already taken. Someone wrote a Lua 2.5 implementation. I feel OLua seems pretty good, so we can say OLua my Lua. Lulu Camel. Oh, dang. That's pretty tough. Lua Lamau. What about just Lamau? Lua, my awesome one-based indexing language. Oh yeah, animator, that makes sense. That's very array when you know what C does with memory. It's not surprising when you read the spec. The spec is literally this. If you have E1, E2, this is the same thing as star E1 plus E2. Like this. It's commutative, duh. This is what this is. For the love of Lua. We're playing Apex. We are not going to play Apex. Lua Mao. So you're like, what does this do? It literally just does this. It does seem important to retain O blank my blank. Exactly. That I think I'm gonna go O Lua. Oh, dude, I almost got tricked, but I knew that was someone's theme song. Nice try. Katalala is an English implementing literate programming laws. I don't know what literate. Katala scope. Oh, interesting. I've never seen it before. Got triggered, yeah. I almost fell for it. I almost got debated, but I didn't fall for it. No problem. Malua actually sounds... Oh, shoot. Malua. Dang. Malua. Oh man, that might be too good to pass up. Malua. How do you balance between understanding the core of a topic and also developing practice and to know how to boil things down to the core, which is amazing. Any skills that job requires? How do you balance it? I think that if you understand things well, you'll get practical skills from them. You just have to pick the right things to know things about. Few French laws in Katala and found bugs in how the real law was implemented. Oh, that's funny. That's really funny. Malua. Okay, we'll do Malua. Malua, because we can still actually do, now we do this. Olua, Malua. You know what I'm saying? So now we still get the Olua Malua, right? But this way we can keep this. Malua? Malady? Yeah, exactly. It's the same thing as Malady. Yep. Yep, that's the one. That's the one. It's also nice because ML, it's like ML plus Lua, right? Malua. Right, and OCaml is OCaml here. I think we're on to something, chat. We have to spend a good enough time picking out the name, because if we get a good enough name, I'll think about completing the project. You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't want to waste a good name. Can you make a series for building compiler and interpreter as part of for building a new language? It's basically what we're doing right now, except it's for Lua. Okay. Oh my Lua. You should advertise your naming talent on Twitter. Thank you. Measure performance compared to Lua. That would be interesting. Actually, it would be kind of interesting for basic Lua. LuaJet, I'm sure, would beat it, but it would be kind of funny. Name is your biggest motivation complete? No, but you don't want to waste it. Camelo. Each time actual project Twitter name like test 11 and stuff. Actual project Twitter name. All right, so I don't remember. Oops. Does project init? This creates a project directory. Okay, that's what I couldn't remember. Dune init project Malua. CD Malua. We obviously got to OPAM. I think we got to hit the OPAM update and OPAM upgrade. We'll pick the latest version of OCaml. LuaCam. That's a good one too. I just got PHP Genesis GitHub and I have PHP Genesis and have the org name domain. Oh, nice. Make Lua++. Just make Lua++. It's just TypeScript. It's just TypeScript, guys. We should buy lua++.org and it just redirects to typescript.com. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's a good one. OPAM switch list available. Add proc macros to Lua. Now we're talking. Yeah, teal is cool though. Teal doesn't do anything besides add the like. I actually think teal is cool. Second beta release. Which one? Maybe we should just do 5.1.1. I kind of want to. We should just pick the latest one for the memes. Oh no, because maybe we'll do official release of 5.1. OPAM switch create .5.1.1. That's fine. Teal is cool. Yeah. Wait, what happened to my theme song? You're currently not a sub, Johnny. Maybe you need to. It's probably you're currently not a sub. It says. What's up, Hex? This better be some. No. We're not. We are not picking ancient OCaml. We're gonna use some OCaml 5 features if it goes well. Because one thing I wanted to do that I thought would be really fun. Lua++ org. Dang.
Stupid.
There you go. I wanted to do something like we could add some library. Like we could add an OCaml library and you could do like OCaml dot, effect and then run something here. And then you could hook into OCaml 5's like parallelism and everything. Like you could just accidentally make Lua multi-core. Because written in OCaml, you just get it for free. Because it's just functions, So I feel like we probably could make it work. But I don't know. All right, we just gotta wait to build the first round of everything here. We're gonna do. It's just crazy enough to work. Exactly. Oh, Lua is real. Wait. Oh, no way. They actually did it. They actually made Lua++. I was just memeing. Holy cow. No. This is so made up. Oh my. Sorry if the person who wrote this here wrote this. There's just no way. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That's just not real. But don't most people run Luajit anyways? That's funny though that they made it. Imagining another website in docs instead of rescripting TypeScriptLang.org. Exactly, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying as well. Lua Lang. What about L minus minus? Make Go function in channels. Go OCaml Lua. Do you have a couple I don't learn this weekend? Oh yeah, I like Leandro a lot. Okay, so now we've got this. Do I want to do base or core? Which is the one that I've been using lately that I like more? Base, OPAM, core, OPAM. I never remember which one. Full standard library. Which one? I can never remember which one's the biggest one. Chat, does anyone remember? I'd rather just have the big one. Core verse base. OCaml. FP bro, spotted, true. Okay, we'll just do core. That sounds good. That's what I thought, but I couldn't remember. What up, Monk? Oh, and Hex as well. I don't think I said thanks. Asterio, Cephix, Zibias. Core is based. True. The only bummer is you don't get to say open based. And I'm 100% now. Nice, crypto. Very cool. Have you ever used Emacs? I've opened it before. That's about as far as I've gotten. OPAM install core. I used to main Emacs. What is the motivation of this? I'll refer you to the title. I'll refer you to the title. I wanted to try out men here, OCaml. This is really the page for this. This is really the page for this. Org one's pretty cool. No, I never used VS Code for a month. This notification won't go away, and I hate it. All right, so I wanted to try out men here for this. Got mad that my kick W wasn't going off. Oh no, it's going. No, you should for content. I don't hate myself. Huge deal. No, you gotta send a good message so that I know. OPAM install. We gotta install a few dependencies for this, and then we'll sort out a few ideas. Oh, nice, Busker. Very cool. I like to hear that. What are you using for multi-tab in NVim? Just NVim. OcamLua, chat. OcamLua. Okay, right. So this is what we have to do. We have to get an MLY. Okay, it's been a little bit since I did this. Defining a parser. But don't we have to put some shenanigans in like Dune and stuff? There we go. This is the thing I'm looking for. We can look at menhir by in menhir to our Dune file, which tells us to use menhir instead of OcamLua. This might already be installed. Nice. Not a serious project if it does or does not, suffix. Music might be a little loud. Yeah, that seems better. Does not, yeah. How do you censor live? It's just an AI. It knows when I say VS. It can just tell. Okay. Why is this? This is like lagging. What's going on here? What? Is something going crazy right now? What? True. Oh, what just happened to Shy Rise? Oh, because it tried to download at the same time? Do we have some weird race condition for this? Oh no, Shy Rai broke it. It's dead. Okay, that's really weird. Oh, maybe it was just
Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley. Mary Kate and Ashley. I was 8 when I met.
Oh, that's probably why.
It was actually the same day that I met Ashley.
Huh. I don't know, it's just weird. So there's a little bit. Kind of the same random rest open once, don't close if you want to wait. Yeah. Imagine using Elixir. Nice. Well, I restarted it. I restarted the browser. Over there. Yours was just stuck forever, Shirai. I don't know what happened. Alright, so let's just you know, I was broken last time too. Interesting. Oh right, so we gotta go to our. All right, that's the other thing we need to do. I gotta get a few things here. Plugins. Oh, Git. We'll go Octane. I think I've got. dude. It's one of the dumb color schemes from OCaml format. Let's go ahead and take this .OCaml format, which really should just be a file that's automatically in there. Okay, and then we also need to go to what else was I gonna grab? Oh right, my get ignore for this. Beautiful. Great. Okay, we're back. Neovim just autocorrected Connor on my phone. That's funny. We'll figure yours out eventually, Shirai. All right, so that seems pretty good. We'll see. We probably need to do a little bit of setup for OCaml, because I had some stuff set up for OCaml that we haven't done yet. Do a bit about your Linux setup. I guess there's not like an insane amount of things to talk about, I feel like, for it. All right, so the first thing we need to do is we need to try and make a parser, right? Describe the grammar. So we can just make different tokens. I haven't done this really. I did like one little explore of this, but I haven't done very much of it so far. Oh, that's not what we're doing today. Sorry. Commands. Whoops. Commands, edit today, writing and interpreter for Lua implemented in OCaml for the reason of fun and learning and enjoyment and cackles. That's pretty much it. That's why we're gonna do it. All right, so what can I say? What can I say? Do it for the vine. So I need to make a parser. It's an MLY file, right? We can add in there by adding this. OcamLua, that's the old one. Parsing, blah, blah, blah. This is really not that good of here's the how-to. No, I don't want this. I want a guide on how to do it. OCaml and many examples that aren't calculators. Nice. Ooh, there's one from CS107. You might need to do that. Should you make your own parser? I want to use the ones from OCaml already. Minimum Java 8 byte code, so would need to currently be on 8, I believe. What are you talking about? Incognito, are you pasting into the wrong one? You have beard like me, dude. Nice. No. We don't. I don't think we want to use Angstrom, even though Angstrom's very cool. We're gonna try and do this with parser.mly, and let's just do something like token local. I don't know, something like this, right? Cannot deduce file from past, please name impl or this. So then we'll go. Oh, they all have to be. Oh, right. They have to be. They have to be uppercase, right? Because we're saying this is like we have some token type. All right. Then we have to say this. Where the token local is unused. Yeah, that's fine. All right, we'll go back. Let's go back to here and we'll read a little bit from the top. Blah, blah, blah. We know this part. Lexing, parsing, blah, blah, blah. We have types for tokens. This is fine. Note that this, if we converted this example, it looks something like left brace, string, this. Such a good one. This is much richer than token stream. Yourself did not working. Me? What? Okay. Contains two sections broken up by separated lines, containing this on lines by themselves. The first section is for this. So start by declaring the list of tokens. A token is declared with the token type, and then type is optional and UID is capitalized N. For JSON, we need tokens for numbers, strings, ints, and punctuation. Okay. So we have, we think of like, we need to go to the Lua grammar 5.1 specification, something like this. Whoa! Yes, that's someone's theme song. Bosh. Where's the... Isn't there like a... BNF or something? Or there's some... I thought they... Where is the grammar? Does anyone know? Hey, Sleecher, thank you. Or doesn't it? There's the completes. Oh, here we go. This probably is good. This is the one I'm looking for. I mean, this is a little bit annoying, but we can do something. We can still go here. Because we're going to basically make the parser out of this. Like, this is what we're going to do. You know, because you basically have, like, token do. But I don't remember exactly how this works, so we need to read the next parts. Token, blah, blah, token, EOF. Sure. It's probably a good one as well to have. Post value flow. Yep, so this is how you carry values for these. Oh, we're going to write a Lua interpreter. Start. Then we'll... But declaring the start symbol to be non-terminal symbol prog, and by declaring what we parse. The prog value should be converted to OCaml type of JSON value. Start. JSON value option prog. Rules. Program is an end of file, none, or v is value, this. Okay. So let's just do something. So then are we supposed to go like this? Start, EOF, I don't know. Why is OCaml LSP cannot deduce file from name? Please impl or int f, parser MLY. Oh, we need to have some value associated with this too. Where are they putting the rest of this grammar? What up, Nix? I own. Hey, thank you. Okay, I think I'm just not. Sorry, chat. You're gonna get blinded for a sec. Documentation reference manual. This is not what I was looking for. Tutorial for men here. OCaml. I swear that there's one here.
So let's look in more detail.
Where is the... Here we go. Where's the textbook for this? Because I think he's got... Next chapter, calculator. Oh, they're only... I don't want to have to watch this whole thing, though. Dang, I was hoping he'd have something I could read. Alright, we'll start with parsing, then return to lexing. We'll put all menu code we put in file parser MLY. What does it think this file type is? I wonder if that's messed up. Yeah, we're on there right now. Yeah, we'll get something simple started at the beginning. There are 4 parts of grammar definition. Okay, well, we didn't do this. Right? So we haven't done that. Declarations. Okay, so we have something like this. We'll just do something simple like EOF, right? OCaml LSP, very confused. We have a type annotation, non-assoc in, non-assoc else. Okay, interesting. We'll have to read about those. Start AST expr program. So they've got some other thing here. AST.ml, something like this, right? And this has some type expr EOF for right now. Oh, okay. So that's why it was angry. Okay, we'll say something like this, or, you know, integer of int, something like this, right? We can put these two as our 2 different kinds for now, something like this. We'll just try and say like it can get a number or it's the end of the file, right? And then this is like token int integer. I don't know if these need to be all caps as well. All right, finally, %% ends the declaration section. Okay. So we'd say open AST. Dude, this is very confused about what type this is. Set FT is OCaml. Vim men here. We must be getting this wrong. Nice, I like that one. What's it? Why is it an MLY? Need all caps because computer's lazy. You'd have to yell. Put open if you're opening an AST tree. Yeah, we'll do that part. I'm just saying like we can actually make a type and then do something with this. Set up OCaml LSP server. So I think OCaml LSP server is confused as well. Okay, so this is what I think I did last time where I switched these into different types. Oh, what up, sort of? Oh, dang, thank you. Thanks for the gifted sub. And Hoplo, welcome. What is pamming? What? Okay, so I think probably what we want to do is we want to do something like this. We want to do similar idea to men here, OCaml.men here. Yeah.
I've got so much to give. Easy now, fuzzy little man Peach.
I think it is Nightshade.
From a shoe.
Sorry, you'll have to hang out here instead of in Prime's chat. You have to be smart to follow this channel. No. What's my VIN color scheme? There you go. Oh, thanks, Sam. Okay, so I think the main problem is set ft is OCaml.men here. Cannot deduce file kind from past name. Please specify impl or int f. That seems crazy. I don't even know what this would mean in this case. But I'm not streaming for a week. He's in Brazil. He's gonna stream a little bit though. Did we do something wrong? Are we doing something crazy? All right. So I think it's wrong that it says that this is OCaml. So that's the first one. So I think the first thing we should do is we need to go switch up a few things in our config. So the first thing is I should also check config nvim backup. Okay, let's just go to my old config, because I'm pretty sure at one point I had file type add, probably here. Nope, that one was just a joke. File type add. Oh no, I did it in plugins OCaml. Yes, that's right. Okay, I think we need to do something with this again. Said he'd reimburse me for the coffee. Did I say that? It strikes me as a little bit like I wouldn't have said that. Strikes me as I would not have said that. Okay, so let's go ahead and go. Okay, so the first thing we can do is we can go to init. We can go here and we can go dir is plugins OCaml nvim. That's the first thing we can do. Not in writing, just a video recording. Those are pretty easy to deepfake these days. Are you getting inspired with Piccolo? I don't know what Piccolo is. A stackless Lua interpreter. No, I don't have. I haven't heard of this. Oh, that was just yesterday. Oh, that's cool. Nope. But it sounds awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and go here. Yeah, yes, I just read it. All right, we have to go to these color schemes because something is just jacking this up as well. Is it this one? I wonder who is what color scheme is being very misbehaved. Something is still messing up my color scheme though, and I don't know why. We have Nightshade. It's probably Nightshade. My guess? Probably Nightshade. That's going to be my guess. I wonder if it's this. Whatever. Zell speed semantic tokens? No. It's like literally the highlights groups are getting messed up. Yeah. So I still don't know why that's happening, but that's okay. All right. So the other thing we need to do here is for plugin. Oh, we're not in the right spot. Plugins OCaml nvim. Let's go ahead and check out the plugin section here. We need to also add mly is ocaml.men here, and mll. I don't even know what mll does. Oh, that's the lexer. OCaml.lexer, I think, maybe? Because we haven't gotten that far yet. Start ASD expression program. So we want to basically do this though. And FT. Sweet. This says OCaml men here. Hey, look, and now it's not so confused. Of program, something like this, right? And then we'll say program. That's this part. Then we have rules. So we say program is either E is expr or E. So we would say like int is I is integer, I think, right? Oh, expr is the type. Where did they put an expression? AST expr prog. Production and action. The rules section contains production rules that resemble BNF. We simply write colon, okay. Program E is expert, EOF E. I don't know if we say int, I don't know, EOF I, something like this. Int is undefined. Expert is undefined. Ah, okay, nice. Yeah, okay, great. Great. Okay, so now we write another rule. Yeah. So now I can say so this would make more sense to be E, and then E, and we say I equals int, integer I, something like this. Int. They called it int up here with this. Okay, so that seems weird. Syntax error. Oh, semicolons. Int versus int. Well, here has I equals int I. Because I thought, oh, here's their type. So what did I say for my AST? Did I call it integer? Oh, I did call it. I called it integer like this. Line 8. Oh, I don't need to say AST. This should probably just be expert. Yeah. Plus, yeah, this just doesn't exist either. It's like this. Oh, we're back, chat. We're back. So, what's the best way to get started with learning OCaml? Just start building something. OCaml.org or Real World OCaml are really good. Also, this textbook is really good. Semicolon. This is one of my favorites as well. Has production rules in simple. I don't know how we. Oh, this is the parser. Got it, chat. Okay, I'm with you. This is not the lexer. This is not the lexer yet. So we don't know what turns things into integers. But but they're saying if we have an integer, then we'll make an integer. Got it. Okay. That's good. We need to, is there no like, is this part generated or what is this? Yeah, it's men here. Okay. OCaml lexer. Now we see the generators used. That's fine. We can write the rest of this later. I want to write a little bit of this and then we can start iterating. Put the OCaml lex code in lexer.mll. Wonderful. Lexer.mll. Okay, yes. There are 4 parts of a lexer definition: header, identifiers, rules, and trailer. Header, okay. And FT, nice. So we have this as our header. Okay, makes sense. We want to open our parser. Oh, and then we need to also say OCaml lexer. And then here are the identifiers we'll use. Okay, yeah, so this one's good. We can copy these for now. "90% written OCaml are interpreters." Wrong. Because it depends what you define as programs. Because otherwise, Jane Street dwarfs everybody else's probably. Building Lexer and parser for work right now, though for a less impressive language. Nice, Calder. Said Lex, OCaml Lex. Okay. Dave, I trust you. Said Lex. Let's go. Dave, I don't care. You to go friendly generator for OCaml. Well, I mean, it only has to parse Lua. I don't know how friendly Lua is, but we'll do it. It's all right. Both work. Oh, I have seen this one before. I've seen this before. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, we could go for it. Why learn OCaml if you don't want to drain street? Why learn anything at all? I don't know. Because it's awesome. Because we can learn a lot of things. Just open your minds. Cause of fun? Are Tej and Prime relatives or some kind of longtime friends? We grew up together. He was my first grade teacher. No, just kidding. No, we met through streaming. We've been friends for a long time though. Now, like 4 or 5 years, I guess. A long time on the internet. Okay, but then I have to learn this one. Give me, Dave, do you have an example of something that uses said lex and men here? You live close to each other? No, we do not. We live across the country from each other. Dave, do you have an example? Otherwise, I'll probably just follow CS guidance here. They're same as OCaml rules, definitions, and integers. Instead of using white, we could just directly write expressions for it, but that then is like docs. So now we need rules. Rule name. Here, rule and parse are keywords. The lexer that is generated will attempt to match against regular expressions in the order they're living. Dave, I'll probably actually just use I'll just probably use OCaml lex because Lua is pretty easy to parse. So like all things considered, I'll probably just go for this. Dude, this thing is so confused how to do highlighting for this now. Rule read is parse, but the set shift width is 2. There we go. We probably should set a few things for this, but that's okay. Read. Lex buff. That's fine. Yep, that seems good. True, true. So we don't have true yet, but that's okay. So we'll just add this in as well as false should be false. And then we should go... Can I do digit int? Oh, I see. Yeah, this makes sense. I am using the new config, yeah. So then, oops. So that says, hey, you haven't told me what true is and what false is. That's true, we haven't. We go back to our parser and we can say token, true, token, false. What's the queued events? Oh, that's for shenanigans that Twitch chat can do. I was also thinking, I kind of want to switch to status line as global again. Let's actually quickly look for that again. Don't I have like global status line? I don't remember. Last status is 3, right? That's the one. Oops. Oops. That's better. Oops. Didn't I do op.clipboard is unnamed plus. That's what I prefer. Okay. Still running with mixed rate. Yeah, but we just don't have it connected really right now. Just because I'm not really like, I'm not doing anything that I want everybody to just destroy constantly, right? Your new NVIM setup, is it done? It's not done. We're sort of like, as we're going through though, we're exploring some new options. This variant expect to have type token. There is no constructor int within type token. Parser. Did I already add harpoon? I did. Nice. Parser and lexer. Ah, this should be integer, right? Okay, nice. Tree walking or bytecode? Tree walking or bytecode? Tree walking. At least for now. For future reference, where did I spend it? You spend it there, yep. I mean, I guess we could probably... I think I have all of the really destructive ones turned off. So it's probably fine. You should be able to go there right now and see a few of them on. Like, you could do random color scheme and stuff. Like that. And then it'll do a random color scheme. That one's actually... I kind of like that one. I kind of like that one. Okay. So... First white read. So this all makes sense. This all makes sense. Generating the parser and lexer. Dune. Yep. So we add these. We already have that. And then now we need a driver. Finally pull these together and turn string into an ASC. Put this code in file name source main. Ooh. Bin. We'll do this in bin. Open OcamLua.ast. Can we do this? I think can I actually name it this? I don't think I want to. It'd be funny though. No going back. It's not on right now, Mahika. Themes isn't working for me on the dashboard. Oh really? Try a hard refresh. Eyes died, return to the original one. Smart. Here, and then we'll just copy paste this in. Oh my goodness. We have parser, program, lexer. Right? Is it not parser? What did I call it instead? Program. Is that not parser program? Oh, main. There should just be OcamLua. There we go. We have ast.expr parse. Okay, so then we can just go parse 5. I don't know, right? Shouldn't this like parse this as just a number? We don't have we don't really have a way to print this, do we? Is there already a like parser.print? No, oh no, it's because it's in our it's from our AST, so it should give us an AST. So we can do like deriving, and we could do show probably. So then if we do that, we need to go back to our Malua. Thanks, Dave. Oh boy, let's see how much I remember here. PPs, preprocess, ppx deriving.show, right? And then, oh, did I have one too many of these? Oh, there we go. Is it? It's the opposite. Dang. Where's the Yep. Opam install ppx deriving. I was so close. So close. OcamLua is a Rust crate. Yep. I know. But this one's Malua, which is a little different. Dune exec Malua-w. Print that.
Nice.
Rust, the best language. So true. Mo. Boom. Parsed an integer, chat. All right, we're pretty much done. We're pretty much done. Give me a clap.
Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Chat. Give me a clap right now. We're pretty much done. Feels good. Feels good. Pretty much done with Lua. 1 hour, done. I give it a first try as well. I'd give it a first try and a big clap. 1 hour for this? Yep, 1 hour for this. We also did other stuff, didn't we, chat? Surely we did other things. Yeah, it takes 10x longer to do it. Okay, I cannot do this without having... I need these bad. Whoops. Why do I even have this as this? This is just... Okay. Also need, don't I have, oh, right, it's comma, right? Huh, where did I define those? Width? Control W dash? Oh, there we go. We gotta get these as well. Sorry, chat. What? Didn't I do J and K with the beans? Oh, these aren't even the right ones. Oh, because that's taller and shorter. I'm stupid! Sorry, chat. I'm not focusing. I'm gonna look in a second. But I've been not having these, and I've been.
Mental focus is. Oh, it's focused.
Oh, it's focused, boys. Oh my goodness, there we go. Finally. Shorter, taller. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Oh, you're totally right as well. Thank you. Like an absolute scrub. Okay, chat. I'm pretty much ready now to be a human again. Okay. It's Monster Chat Chill. I'm back. Okie, thank you for the sub. You just need to handle one base indexing and we're done. True. Okay. What were we even doing before? Oh my goodness. It's because I haven't finished my delicious terminal.coffee. I should really sell you guys this cool mug too with THDV on it. It feels like it'd be weird to just have a mug though with my name on it. Maybe you should get one with your own name on it. That would be pretty cool. My wife bought me this one for Christmas. She's really cool. No, not terminal.coffee. That's another website that I'm pretty certain is a scam. Nope, Calder, I already said I'm going to be publishing a video later today about why one-based indexing is better. Okay. Canceled. This will be my last stream. It'll be my last stream, but it was good knowing all of you. Do you have per FT snippets now? I did, yeah. Oh, I just loaded all the files, Daniil. I just literally loaded them all. Python's -1 base is clearly the best. One base indexing is the way to go. That's because in C, you're not indexing. I'll give you a little spoiler for the video so that you guys want to be there. See, it's actually, I don't think any of you guys should be surprised. But I read the specification for C. I don't think any of you guys should be surprised. And if you notice, not the whole thing, just about subscripts, you'll notice they did not ever use the word index. One-based indexing is just unintuitive. No. Nope. They use the word subscript, and it's very intentional. It's just syntactic sugar, indeed. Okay, the people who say one-based indexing is unintuitive, this is the reason I'm making the video. Chat, if I say, hey, it's in the third basket over there, are you looking in number 2 or number 3? Yeah, I'm looking at 2. Trick question. You'd literally go 1, 2, 3. Third basket. Why the last stream? Oh, I'm just joking because I'm making a video about how one base is better. Unintuitive. Yeah. In fact, intuitive would be the word. Programming messed up my 1, 2, 3. That's literally my point. That's literally my point. C is correct. It's Python and JavaScript and OCaml and everyone else who picked 0 as their starting points. They're wrong because they're not doing what C's doing. Rust can still have 0. Go can still kind of have 0. But that'll get confusing if we start with 1. No, I write Lua like every day. I pretty much, it's just not a problem. It's just easy. You just don't make a mistake, chat. Java lists and arrays are pointers under the hood. Unlikely. It's not a likely story. Vincent, okay, so chat, I'll give you... Okay, here's... Now I don't know if I want to give you guys the spoiler for the video or not. I'm not gonna do it. You'll have to watch the video. The video is gonna be so ratioed. No, the video is gonna be like, holy cow, you're totally right. I was wrong the whole time. Java is Lua under the hood. True. Recording video on stream? No. No, you guys are gonna have to be surprised and watch it. It'll only be 8 minutes long. I already wrote the script. You just have to go over it a few more times. I heard the argument before, but nah, I like my 0. See, but you can keep your 0. You just have to admit that it's not indexing. That's fine. That's totally fine. Use Obsidian a lot? Yeah, I guess. So I can refresh the comments all day. 8 minutes kind of long. It's only Subway Surfers. Okay, it's not indexing. Nice. Now you can keep 0. 1, 2, 3. Exactly. JavaScript. Checkmate. Atheist. Got him. So I'm making a new language called Soul. It's like Lua, but day version. Subscripting. Yep. Or offsets. That's what C calls it. Is they call them subscripts. Which I actually think is like more helpful when you're thinking about it. I'll talk about it in my video. Okay, so next thing we need to do, now that we have these working, we can start writing the Lua grammar. How do you remove the status for i3 UI? Well, you step 1, remove i3. Step 2, install OcamWM. Done. Ordinal indexing for Stockholm's. That's funny. You convert 1 to 0 offset under the hood, right? In what? In what language? Yeah. From prime being off by 1, true. Subscripts it is then. Sway, anyone? What's wrong with i3? There's nothing wrong with i3, but they asked, how do I remove my status bar from your i3 UI? Well, the way you'd remove it from mine is uninstall i3 and install OcamWM. That would be how you would get rid of the bar in my UI. I've never used i3, so I don't know. I just say that's how you would do it, you know. All right, let's see how much of this we can write inside of here, okay? In C, it's called the subscript operator. That's exactly what I'm saying. Find a mem copy for memory allocation for yeah. Here's a funny example. I'll give you guys this one. This one is very funny, chat. Right here. I'm gonna use this in the video. This is a little bit of a spoiler. The main part to look at is right here. Anyone notice anything goofy about this? No, this is Python. Explain like I'm 5. It says it's an index error, but do you see why call it a sequence subscript? Why not say raise when an index is out of range? Oh, that's because 0 isn't an index. Reactogen website? Oh, it's on hold. Index and non-integer, right? But that's why are they saying sequence subscript here? Why are they doing this? Well, in Rust they should be indexes because in Rust you're actually doing pointer things, right? You know what I'm saying? Maybe they're referring to the underlying array written in C. Do you think a list in Python is actually an array in C? Do you think it does pointer dereferencing to get access to the first and second and third element? Right? That's my whole point. It's a lie. It's lying to you. No, there's like a million things in between. I always do that manually. Which is okay. We pretend lists are actually hash maps, then 0 is just the key. Right? And then it would be even worse. Because then you should, that's why Lua is right to have one base, because Luas are all key value stores. So the index is the key. The index is the key. Stop, chat. You're getting me distracted. I'm gonna do this later. Oh, now we're talking pick. Array in JavaScript's also a lie. It's a list. Everything in JavaScript's a lie. I like how Pick's face comes on here.
Coding through the night. His white paper's tight, ready to unite.
The index is the key.
Perfect place to shine. But when he hits submit, he sees decline. Pig's heart sinks, motion start to fray. His code's a masterpiece, no room to sway. Rejected again, he can't understand why. Pig won't give up,
Just about to
he'll
focus.
reach for the sky. Rejected God, it's just the start. Pig's pushing sanity, falling apart. Through the glitches and errors, he won't break. People stop, he's taking your mom on a date.
How long is Pix? Pix is like 2 minutes. It's a very special song. Not long enough. That's what they... That's what she said to Pick. I couldn't help it. Sorry, Pick! I couldn't help it. Oh, need a 10-hour version. We really do. We really do. All right, let's try this, chat. Let's try this. Let's go and find name. So name. I don't understand this. How is name outside of here? Like where does it describe what name is? This is like somewhere else. You know what I mean? We can check out Lua ML and we could maybe copy some stuff, but I also don't really want to copy very much because I kind of want to figure it out myself. But there's like MLY, Lua parser, like this. Like this is not actually very big, you know what I mean? There's like not a whole lot. But then look at how nice this looks. This is like literally just the same as what they have inside here. Colon, name, L part, R part. Like I like how this looks so similar to this. So let's see if we can figure out how to do such a thing, chat. Okay? Because these are our rules, right? These are all the rules. Nice. Beginning of rules. I like it. Right? It's going to tell me, yo, dog, you got some warnings. That's okay. So the first thing we do is we make a chunk rule, right? And what does this mean? This is saying optional, right? It's optionally some stat and that, or no, this is one or more. Why is this in curly braces? Is this one or more? Is that what that means? Yes, that must be, or 0 or more. 0 or more. I don't, ooh. Now I can't read what's going on here. Chunk. Chunk. And that's, how can I write that in, it says chunks. Chunk list. Oh, interesting. Dang, did I miss pick song? You did. It was, we were just jamming. So what's a stat? So that's, I don't really get, you have to turn this into a list, chunk list. Maybe we need to do a little bit more. Well, maybe we will take this later. We may still yoink this. Institution model, environment type summary exercises. Okay. Chunk list ret EOF. What is a ret here? Nothing or return. Oh, I don't know at all what a bunch of these other $ shenanigans things do as well. Did you see the logo description Haskell? I swear they would write paper before they sat on it. To be fair, it's pretty lame to add it to your website. I'm just saying. Putting anything with uwu on your website is lame. I don't even care that the logos look cool. Just don't call it uwu equals true. It's not uwu, it's still Haskell. I would also not want uwu to be mentioned in anything ever. I'm just saying. What about owo? Also no. It's funny though. The Kubernetes thing, even more cringe. In my mind, I don't even care if people think that that's dumb that I think it's cringe. I think it's cringe. Ubuntu's fine. It's some random person making a goofy project. Everyone's all, guys, don't name your services anymore after fictional characters. It's confusing. Hey, well, also, if you don't put uwu on your language website, I'm gonna get triggered. Just relax. You can't have it both ways. I don't think you have to be professional. I just think putting uwu on stuff is cringe. That's all. He's playing OCaml. I'm going to use OCaml X and men here, yeah. Uwu. It's fine in Twitch chat because you guys are already cringe. So you're allowed to say such things. You guys can see her. What's up, puppy? Come here. Come here. Up. Hi. What pup? Okay. She wants to go upstairs. XQC cosplay, that's me. This is the only reason to use OCaml over Haskell, yes. What if it's one based? It's not that I'm upset. I just think it's lame. You know what I mean? Why would you punish yourself like this? It's fun. Okay, so this is how we can unpack things into different types. That part's cool. According to these rules, JSON value is either any of these. Yeah, so that's how we get values. Object fields is obj. Reverse object fields list rub obj. Got it. Okay. Okay, this makes sense. This makes sense. This is a classic linked list problem. This is a classic linked list problem. But okay, this is okay. But this strategy is good. We should copy this and put it in to remind us. Oops. I need just a little bit more space on my screen. What? Why did this not? Oh, whatever. Okay. Zoop. So these we don't need right now. What are even comments in this language? I don't know if that even works. Okay, nice. How long is the stream going to be today? I don't know, maybe 2.5 more hours at least. We'll see where we're at, because I need to record a YouTube video and get some other stuff done. I got to start doing less like 7-hour streams so that I can actually accomplish a few other things during the day. Okay, so Menhir also has a bunch of built-in ones. Well, how do they do that then? Separated list. Oh, is this Menhir already has this concept? Oh, okay, so Menhir already has separated list. Okay, never mind. Delete this crap. We have separated list. Separated list. Boot.dev mentioned. I do need to work a little bit on boot dev as well today. This job's 0. Got him! That's a good one, NixOS. Time to start React content. I don't really think that that's my my specialty. I do want to try at some point doing some like researched reaction kind of things where it's like offline and edited and stuff, but we're not going to do that today. Okay, so this is all good. Yeah, I think it would be, I think that's more like, that's more up my alley. Menhir. Okay. Is admin config done? Not sort of, but also no. I'm adding to it as we work on other projects. Again, and we'll take detours and stuff. You can react to reactions. Now that I would do on stream. A stat is varlist is x plus 1. Okay, well, let's just try and do something like this. Stat. And we have what? Varlist. I still don't know. Varlist 1, x plus 1. It's saying you have to have at least one variable and then one x plus. So this is saying like one or more of these. Oh, interesting. That's funny. They define them like this. Okay. Varlist 1. How do you... E is equal to x per. So if I was going to do this... Right, and we do it varlist 1. Whoops. No, stop. Right, this would be something like you have a single var, or you have varlist 1, comma, and var. Got it. Very cool. I still don't know what the beans is going on here. Why would you not use like E equals blah, 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 and then this and then that? I don't really get that part. So it's like, okay, so you would have something like varlist 1 equals something like this. I don't really know. No, can't I just say equals? E equals x per. No, I think I still don't really get the React response in 7 to do on 30 minutes. Well, that part's fun to do. I see you're doing this. Learning is fun. Yeah, thank you. Legit compiler? No, I don't think so. To avoid list rev? Okay. Yeah, but we can use separated list from Menhir to do this too, right? I mean, I think it's fine. I don't think we're going to do a JIT. I mean, we could, hypothetically, like after we get everything else, I guess we could, but I'm not really that interested in doing that part of it. I just kind of wanted to do it just for fun. Just learn a bunch of stuff about OCaml I've never really used men here seriously, so I kind of wanted to explore it. How old is this? 2023? Okay, so this is like still pretty good. Rules, new syntax. Wait, what? What is this new syntax? When 2023? This is pretty recent. Well, I want to try the new one. I mean, I want to try the new. It's new. I want to do it. It's not called old. Interesting. Syntax of grammar specifications. Headers. So we know this part a little bit already. Parameter, tokens. The token, that one's fine. Sort of the OCaml bindings, but they didn't use men here. Oh, interesting. Okay. Token plus plus. Quoted quid is present, then is considered an alias for type this. This feature is known as token aliases. Throughout the grammar, the quoted quid then is an quoted ID, right? Quoted identifier plus stands for term plus throughout the grammar. As an example, demos calc alias. I feel like probably we'd be better off just looking at some example ones. Oh, that's awesome. You can just say these are. Oh, sweet. This does it go in order for how non-associate U minus? Interesting. About both of them in here. Okay, interesting. Ever gobble? I don't think so. Why would we need that? What? Oh, cool. This is really cool. So I am a little bit, oh, I guess it doesn't really matter. They have L parent and right parent, which they could have written here. I feel like, right? Maybe a good first step for me to practice doing this is we just do the math part. Let's see. Let's just see if we can get just the math parts going. Right? That seems pretty reasonable.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Nice. Well, like as learning steps. Right? So let's just see if we can get through the math parts of this and see how far we can go. And then we'll explore what we need to do the rest of it, right? And we'll just do it with like integers at first. Stare, okay. What do you mean stare, okay? What do you mean stare? All right, so we need to go. Do we want to put this? I don't know where we want to put this. Do we put this token? Like, should we go plus and put this here? Like, I see them doing this here, right? But should I be putting these somewhere else? Didn't mean to stare. So what are we staring at? I don't know. I don't know why we're staring. Why are people staring? I separate literals from open tokens. You're saying like... Wait, so then why am I not doing this as well? Like, why would I not do this? I don't really get it. Stop staring. Stare. This is men here. Do you put this inside of somewhere else, chat? Think you still need to find this in the lexer? Okay. So I would go like let L, oh, I can just do these all here, right? I can say this, L par, R par, plus, minus, star, div, slash. Right, like this. Basically, that's one character. I handle it separately from any multi-character. It's handled separately from open-end tokens. Use functions to qualify. Okay. Yeah, because I can put all of these inside of here. Right? This would all be like, this would all be fine, basically. But I don't use regex. I don't use regex. Alright, so if we go back to our... We also says in XL, you don't pronounce the H in menir. Okay, let's try this. We go to here. Oh, let's go back to here and let's mark this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1. We can also have. I still don't really get how this would work. Can I say R par? Like this? Does this work? And do I go, are you a licensed regex user? At various times in my life, I have been, yeah. Like, does this not... I don't really get how I'm supposed to go, like... Because then why wouldn't this part go here again? Do I need to put like parentheses around this or something? Oh, semicolons. Thank you. And this should be L and R. Left and right. Okay, nice. Semicolon. Called it. We can sort of discard those, right? Like we don't really need anything about them. We just get this expression. I think that's probably fine, right? So then if we have something like E equals if we go back to our expression, or no, or AST, right? We have some integer. I guess the simplest way would be to say bin op of, I don't know, expr star op star expr, something like this, right? Type op is, I don't know, we say add sub mul div, right? Something like this. No such file or directory, impl.d. Or we could just do string for right now, right? Impl all. What? I don't know what this means. Okay, just got confused, I guess, because we broke everything. That's fine. So let's say we have something like this, where we have E1 is expr. And then we have plus, and then we have E2 is expr. Then that would be a lot of, yeah, we can go, can we go bin op E1 star, or I guess we probably go something like this, right? E1 plus for right now, that's all we have. E2, something like this. Does it like this or no? Token true is unused. One state has shift reduce conflicts. Was arbitrary result. I don't know what that means. We definitely scuffed something here. This is one show. Have you finished your update of config for Elixir use? I didn't do anything special for Elixir basically. Haskell next. Yeah, sure. Should star be multiply and slash be divide? I don't think so, because when you're tokenizing stuff, I think that they should just say what they are. Like, I don't remember if there's anything you can use star for besides multiplying. If there isn't, then we'll change it to multiply. Haskell plus Arch. I love my family. I won't do it. Right now, just a straight interpreter, no bytecode stuff. We'll see though. I mean, we're far away from that. I'm exploring a lot of different stuff. I don't know what this means. The one state has shift reduce conflicts. We'll have to figure it out. But Dax did. Dax did what? Haskell and Arch? Right, and how many children does he have? I rest my case. Seems pretty simple, chap. We'll have to figure that part out shortly. An expert slash E2 equals expert E1 slash E2. Children? Children? Okay, but let's try and go to here and let's go 55 plus 3. Hey, look at that, chat. Boom. This plus this. Yeah, it's easy. How is that easy? This is not fair. Maybe he taught his kids Haskell. No, I've been to his house. He doesn't have any children there. So then I want to change this to op. And now this will error, I think, because this says, yo, dog, you didn't do that, right? So this should be add. Something like this. Yeah. Add and here. So then we can, what type of parser generator is this? So now we can just say the different operators we want to support. Right? These are all binary operators. So we may as well, yeah, we can probably just do each of these. Caret is, what does caret even do? Oh, exponent. Mod. Concat. Less than. LTE. We'll just say LT. GT. GTE. Equals. And not. Oh, and then we also have and or. Okay. I don't know what's happening in Brazil. Alright, so I think that's all of them, right? Did I miss any? No, I didn't miss any. So these are, we should really call these bin ops. Say bin op. Bin op, right? And then we also have just type unop. And that would be negative, not, and length. Can't I do and here for this? Okay. Bin up, bin down. Okay. Oh, really? Oh, that's crazy. No, like what, a big storm or something? How did they have big floods? I didn't hear about this at all. No. I don't really do the news. So I didn't hear about this. Is that where Prime's going right now? Like, Prime's actively going to Brazil at the moment. Okay. Not that it's not bad for everybody else, but like, I was a little worried Prime was going to somehow find himself flying to Brazil and being like somehow in like a disaster situation, which was making me a little, you know. Okay, he's going southeast. Got it. Sao Paulo. Okay. To be honest, I didn't look at his Brazil trip. I was sad he left me behind, you know. Thanks, Terso. That's crazy, though. That's really sad. Are any of my current Brazilian watchers near there? Chat, are any of you guys by there? About that, but I trust his context would have made sure he's not swimming. Talking about Vib. Yeah. This, like... Yeah. Schlichting, that's kind of what I was saying. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if somehow Prime managed to get himself in big trouble with that or something as well. Which would be very typical. Yeah. Just like Prime somehow gets himself in trouble, like showing up there. Oops, star. Left associative plus and minus. Okay, so I guess we go here and do that. Other news, I went to the Madonna concert. I heard that was the biggest concert of all time or something like this. That's pretty bad. Saturday, actually. Why the BNF? What do you mean, why the BNF? What about it? Oh, for Lua interpreted. Yes. Just found your temple ended revolt. Oh, nice. I made it for Prime because he was confused. But then he figured it out about 3 hours later after not listening to me. You know, sort of like the classic Prime method. Like I had the answer for Prime, and then, you know, 3 hours later, he's like, I got it. Temple's working great now. I made a whole repo just for you. I should have been making YouTube videos, but instead I'm making custom NeoVim plugins for my favorite streamer. And what does he do? What does he do?
Guys, I finally figured it out first try, all on my own. You know?
Oh, like this kind of situation? Just copied it in my own config and running. Yeah, that's what I was telling Prime he needed to do. Classic boomer move. So close to Prime's voice. I know, we're really dialing it in, chat. We're really dialing it in. Okay, nice. So now we have... Sweet. We are correctly getting this. This is higher precedence. So you guys, you see this? See, I have 3 divided by 3. We have this 3 divided by 3, and then it adds 555. We're on it. We are on it. Thought Prime joined the stream. Yeah, I know. If you guys didn't know that he was flying to Brazil, you probably would have thought, like, yeah, it's crazy. TJ got him on the call today. Well, he wasn't streaming. Hey, Nightshade. Are you a mod in Prime's Discord? You probably just announced that I'm streaming. You know, everyone's probably waiting for something to watch today. I'll just ping we'll ping Cam to do it. They're all watching Thor. That's good. Dude, this is actually so cool already. Camera judo. No. I don't actually want to do that. Although it is tempting, but we're not going to do that. Paraguay. Dang. Welcome. Best jungles in the world. We do not have jungles where I'm from. Well, did we already basically finish this then? I mean, we just need to add the rexed. We just need to add the rexed of these. Star / okay, let's do this one. Token exp token mod token lt token lte token 5G token. Can you hear me now? Oh no, I just got distracted. Token GT token GT. Thanks, chat. Glad you like that one. Oh. Yeah, some have told me I've got a way with words. That's some kind of way. And token or. Okay. All right, chat, can anyone tell me who am I supposed to be cheering for in Kendrick versus Drake? Pick, do you know? All I know is Twitter's been talking about it. And I don't understand what's happening. They just seem like they're angry at each other. Oh, Mo, thank you. Guess right now it's Kendrick. I'm gonna wait till the dust settles. Oh, I'm gonna wait till I find out who wins before giving my opinion on Kendrick versus Drake. Oh, it's my last tweet. It's my last tweet, guys. Oh my goodness. You know what we probably should do? Now that before this gets too far. Okay, chat. Seriously though, this one. Right? Right? Chat, I'm just saying. Suddenly the story got a lot darker. This is a canon book. This is from Disney. Everything said in this book is canon. I took it. This is from me. Does that mean there are cars making cars, or there's people? That's what I'm saying. Then why would it say hands? Why would it say handmade? They don't have hands. Tire made. That's what I'm saying. How would they know about hands if there's no humans? Cars are evolved humans, according to the Pixar theory. I'm just saying, chat. I'm just saying. There's some degenerate people in the chat. I forgot. This is the other thing we need to do. Ready for this pick? Bonk. Notifications muted for this conversation. We'll check back in tomorrow. Oh, man. I ain't touching that one. Oh, shoot. What were we even doing? Oh, right. We were making a Lua thing. Okay, so we're pretty far, actually. Is it a robot hands? It's a good question. 4 wheels, good. 2 legs, bad. Just glad there's the songs they're putting out. So are they, I think. I was interested to see YouTube Drake. I was interested to see. Let's see how many views Drake's recent ones got. 9.2 million, 14 million. There was one 20 million one. But I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I do 2 million in 13 hours. That's what's gonna happen as soon as I release my my beef with zero-based indexed languages. If I turn it into a rap, do you think you guys will get it? You know?
No, he hasn't fallen off. He
hasn't fallen off. He hasn't fallen off.
Yeah, produce it. I need Ken. I need Ken to make me a beat, and we can do a diss track. We can do a diss track on zero-based languages. I forgot about this. What's actually crazy, it's been running the whole day so far, and it's like working. Elixir for the win. Thor? What about Thor? What? Oh.
This? Oh yes, it's me, Thor, and I'm on the track.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so we have the simple expression stuff now, so that's good. This is the one that's the hardest one to do, so let's not do that yet. Let's do something like local x equals 5. Kendrick Drake and every reaction such as... Dude, oh my goodness, the React channels... It's a good time to be a rap reactor. It's a good time to be a rap reactor right now. There is money to be made. Maybe we should break it down with a whiteboard, chat. I don't know anything. I don't know anything that's happening. So it would be hard for me to break it down. But I do feel like there's a distinct lack of whiteboarding going on. I mean, money making a React rapper? I don't know. But it's just like, we just gotta throw this up and give them the triangle system talk. That we can give them the triangle system. To let them know. Here's Drake and here's Kendrick. And this, they just need one person to react to their thing and then... I would love to see your opinion because you don't know it. Yeah. I'm glad I'm too old for this. That's how I feel. Feels good to see OCaml again. Feels good to write OCaml again. Although we're kind of like, we haven't even written any OCaml yet, basically, but that's okay. Okay, what do we need to do next? Let's try and do, we should figure out how are we going to write some tests for this. We need snapshot tests. That's what we need. We need to go back and do snapshot tests OCaml. The Drake and Kendrick beef has infiltrated software and game dev. What's the Jane Street one? Inline testing? Expect tests. Where's the link? Give me the exe. Where's the GitHub? Hello? Jane Street? Smelly nerds! Alka-test is nice for... Yeah, well, we don't want to do actual tests. You're not too old for this, but... Hey. I can read the words, at least, and understand what's happening, Sammy. What would you say is the program that you enjoy writing the most? I just think that I don't have a language that's the most of... that I would want to do, like, just for any problem. I think it depends. Friday night funking? I don't know what that is. Drake is like JS, super popular. Everyone hates it. Kendrick is Haskell. Niche, but once you try. That's funny. Not even React. What? Rust. His answer is Rust. No, definitely not. If I have infinite time, then maybe Rust. Like if I have infinite time to solve the problem, then maybe I would pick Rust. But if someone's like, hey, you need to get this done by Monday, then it would be a different answer. You know what I'm saying? L take. Do you mean lovely? It's true. I hate Kendrick and Haskell. Okay, then which rapper is OCaml? Is it Metro Boomin? Because I want some more OCaml. So that's the only thing that makes sense to me. That's the only thing I know about Metro Boomin is he says, Metro Boomin wants some more, I think. Eminem? I'll take it. Iced cubes? I have those upstairs, yes. Ice Cube because he's old. Oh, that's funny. Let expect test addition. Printf this, blah, 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 expect 3. Okay. Isn't there another way to write this? Oh, nice. That's cool. Okay, we'll try this. Yeah, he's a producer. I'm aware. Metro Boomin, make it boom. Yeah, bad takes. Most stuff is definitely sort of kind of elite taste, a bit niche and old. Nice. I searched rapper OCaml and found Cameron. MF Dune? What? All right, so let's go ahead and let's go over to here and let's go. Did I not? What? There we go. So let's go to our AST. No, we need to go to like... See, where would I even put expect tests inside of here? I don't know. How do we use such tests? Killer Mike? I'm more of a Krispy Kreme fan. Inline. Now less idiomatic. Inline test. They don't like this one as much? As long as you're working in academia. As long as you don't need your code to run again or something. Okay, so that's good. We can put this anywhere. But how do we actually run the tests in this? Krispy Kreme rapper? Oh. Someone must be below the age of 30. I'm 30 now, so I can say that. Let's just go, we'll go to parser here, but this one doesn't make any sense. We don't want to put this in lexer or parser. We want to put this in something like, I don't know. I just make a new file called test.ml. It seems dumb to put this here because it's inline test, so it kind of seems... Can I put this in a test file? Maybe I just put this in a test folder. Love me some Krispy Kreme. Froggy Fresh. Yeah, there we go. 30 so old. I'm still 29. You looking young for 30? Aw, chat, thanks. Taylor Swift would demolish Kendrick in a rap battle. It actually doesn't even matter if she would win or not. It's the same thing as the super hot fire situation. Where her fans would say she wins no matter what, right? So then, like, she would win. That's how you win a rap battle, right? It doesn't actually matter whose is better. It just matters what everyone says. Because then everyone just copies whatever the opinion of everyone else. Or like, I don't know if Kendrick's was better than Drake's. I don't know anything about what's happening. But everyone on Twitter said Kendrick was winning. You look like a 16-year-old with a beard. I'll take it. Thanks. That's nice. Feels good. Is that why you react to when Rev Dev? It's... Yeah. Okay, but there's no way I should put these inside of here, right? But we'll just do it anyways. Oh, it's because it's... Yeah, okay. Oh my goodness. We'll just copy this again. Okay, so then we go libraries, core, and then we can go... I also need to get back my preprocess. What am I supposed... Why is there not like a put this in your Dune project? How is there no put this in Dune? I need to message someone about this. Copy pasta this into Dune. Dune test. Dune... I always forget what it is. Dune run test. There we go. Function is able because tests would be ignored. Built in pass inline test lib with Django or Dune. Running test files that are part of an execution. Only library standards support inline tests. Only library standards support inline tests. Okay, well then, how do I do? Where's my like snapshot tests? Because, oh snap, random snapshot testing. That's funny. Because why can I not put this in a test? I want to put this in a test area, or golden tests, or output based tests. Like this is the one I want, but I want to put this in like a test file. Are you the Lisan Al-Gib? He is one. He speaks our language. I guess I can put it inside of there. I'm just sort of trying to figure out how I would want to... Oh, can I just put expect anywhere? If I just go test here and we just go like... Yeah, it doesn't know then how to do it. Okay, that's fine. Let's go back to... I don't know. We'll just put something here and put cases.ml or something stupid like this for now. All right, this then needs to go ppx expect. Try calling Dune build. Dune build. Does it happen during Dune build? Interesting. I would have thought that this happens during... Why can I not do exclamation? Doesn't this do... Huh, weird. Okay. So then shouldn't this say like Dune run test? Shouldn't this say 3? What am I supposed to do something with inline? Preprocess inline tests backend. Do I need to do this? Do I need ppx inline test as well? Because this, I don't get, how am I supposed to actually use this? I had to do the same thing last time. For oh no, I don't want to put this in Duniverse. Can I do something like this, right? Okay. Inline tests. Okay, so I have to put inline tests in here as well. Inline tests. Dune run test W. There we go. Nice. That's what we wanted. So how do I promote? Oh, now we're talking. Now we're talking, chat. Now we are talking. So watch this. Let expect test maths. Print F. I think I can do %A. AST. P some expression AST parse. Oh, what do we do in main for this? Oh, this is, we want to yoink this, right? And we'll put this into AST. We'll move this into parse. Whoops. Parse.ml. Yeah, we'll put this here, and then we'll do this. And then we can go back to our case. This is like such a dumb name, but that's fine. Parser, parse. 5 plus 5, something like this, right? It's just a simple one. And then what should we expect? I'll just put nothing here for right now, right? Like it's, so this is going to be wrong. It's going to say, yo dog, this doesn't work. This takes a formatter type out channel, printf. And then this should be libdune. We need to say that we're going to use funct as well. Okay, look at this, chat. So then we can say, all right, let's promote this. And then we'll reopen the file again. Yeah, right? So we can just, this exactly, how do you go about taking actions from 2 or more plugins messing with each other? You just try and pick ones that don't fight each other, mostly. Don't have things that do the same thing. I actually don't have that many plugins installed right now for this. We're like pretty low on the plugin count, I think. So see this, chat? So now if I changed how we did this, so let's say we go to our AST, right? Let's say we go to AST. This is why this is really good, right? And we have add. Let's say we change this for some reason to say addition. Okay? Now this would be kind of dumb. Right? It's kind of dumb. Right? But we go to our parser, and where do we have add? And we say addition. Okay? So now what happens is when we go back to our tests, here, it'll say, hey, you have something wrong here. So we can actually take a look, right? We can take a look at this. And it'll say, dude, before you had add, and now it's addition. You say, okay, do I want that, or did I make a mistake? In this case, we wanted it, right? So we could then go, we could promote this to a new test. We can edit it, and now it's addition, and then it's done. So this is like the power of doing snapshot style tests. Golden, there's like a bunch of different names for it, right? But then you don't rewrite all of your tests all the time because you had to change like the format. You just go and check to make sure, yeah, those look good. That looks good. Right? And if it looks good, then you accept it. And if it doesn't look good, then you don't accept it. Right? And instead of spending like hours and hours and hours and hours and hours and hours writing all of these carefully crafted tests, and then you say, oh, I got to switch one, and blah, blah. Nope. No. Chop, chop. We got to keep moving. We got to make a whole language here. Is that an OCaml thing? No. There's Insta, Rust. This is the one, this one is for Rust, really good. I like it a lot. And you can do the same style thing. LGTM test philosophy. Yeah, but then you'll know if anything changed. Anything. You're testing the entire structure, right? So I don't want this to be add, and I don't want this to be addition. I want this to be back to add, so this will be fine. And then it says, hey, you don't have that right. So when we have cases, we can do this, we can promote it, and then, whoops, we'll read it. And there we go. So the main thing would be, yeah, so then that lets us really easily write different stuff here, right? So then we can double check, like, let's go here and let's go something like, let's take the same thing and let's say, oh, I want to make sure 1, 2, 3, right? So now we want to make sure, okay, let's add a case. Whoops. Let's add a case. Okay, now we can see that this adds these two things dividing by each other. Right? You can just see it right here. Right here. This is the two things getting divided. So we're checking precedence, right? Sweet. Now I know that precedence works. And if we wanted to, we could just even do something like this. Precedence, something like this. You know, basic, like this. I'll say, yo, dog, you need to expect those things. You're totally right. Let's promote them. Let's get them up there. Done. This way I can check and see which one's failing or something like this, right? Very, very easy. Very, very easy, chat. Very easy. Another thing we can do is, I wanted to go to, where is that? Here, I think. I think this will still work if I do this. And then can I do ppx deriving? I always forget how to, I think it's with path. With path. With path is false. That's the one that I always say. With path is false. So we can go back to our cases. This is 5. Okay. Promote. Then we can shorten these. Bin op, integer 5, add, integer 5, boom. Sweet. This lets us, we can write a lot of cases. We can write a lot of cases with this situation. Very easily, right? This one, we don't need anymore. We just say bye-bye. We don't need you. Sorry, I missed the beginning of the whole snapshot. Are we planning to make a video about this? Oh, I can make a video about it, yeah. I've said that I was going to make a video about it before. I used it in a few videos, but I can make another. I can make a properly dedicated video to it. Would be a good idea. Okay, let me go grab some coffee. Terminal coffee, by the way. I'll be right back. Just watch the next video.